operating on top. De La Cruz couldn't lose Archie. Here you see De La Cruz is really running full speed.
But execution and how they perform in situations like this.
Concepcion.
Oh, man.
They go to the Royal Bazooka. De La Cruz kicks it out. Velasco back to Nem. De La Cruz, this will be big. De La Cruz gets it from the outside.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Well, dalawang unang tira niya, 3 points yun. He was set up really good early in the game.
Sarsonas almost got that ball stolen from him by Concepcion. Peñano almost traveled. Di sila nagkaintindihan doon ni Jonel Bauzon. This is a young team.
Kaya pagka pinag-usapan ang veteran leadership, I feel dyan papasok sila Nem De La Cruz, sila Mike Macion, to lead these young guys.
Ba't ka pa hahanap ng iba, coach? Nandiyan naman si Marlon Basco.
Oo nga naman. Hindi, si Marlon kasi medyo may pagka-father image.
Grabe ka naman!
Hindi, ibig sabihin veteranong veterano na.
Nem De La Cruz cutting this lead to just 8 points. 62 to 54. Marami pang oras na natitira sa laro na to. 2 minutes and 59. Here's the previous play. De La Cruz getting the leak out pass and finishing in traffic against Archie Concepcion.
Hirap nun.
On 5 out of 12 shooting, including 4 rebounds para sa Marikina. Also had 12 in their last game against the Abra Weavers. Abby Polania joined by Coach Mike Perez and Miss Lyra Punzalan at courtside. Second game of our Tuesday triple header dito sa MPBL, and Concepcion whistled for an offensive foul.
I think may tulak nga si Archie doon.
Peñano trying to operate here against Egilos. Naiwanan si Egilos. J-Mo had Matt De Leon helping out there and blocking the shot. Binuya maneuvering his way to the basket. At sinawsaw pa doon ni Raymond Binuya, getting the foul against the Marikina interior D.
Consistent so far for Pampanga is defensively, you know that help is gonna come. We've seen that with J-Mo kasi merong effort na dumipensa.
Binuya goes 1 out of 2 from the free throw line. A basket here could certainly help them. Two-man game between De La Cruz and Peñano, and Carlo Peñano finishing despite the contact.
Yeah, well done on that execution. De Leon, J-Mo commits. Look at that help. Two big men trying to avoid that shot.
Going in over the outstretched arms of the defense. Peñano though could not complete the three-point play. That
And so clearly, kung ikaw ay kalaban ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns, if you're gonna go in and drive inside the paint, you always have to understand that there is an expected help coming from the Giant Lanterns.
Binuya gets it to a curling Archie Concepcion. That's a tough look. Egilos, apparently he pushed off.
And so far, si Bauzon alongside Nem De La Cruz has been more consistent, guys. But Bauzon just having a better plus-minus.
13 points, 6 rebounds in the game para kay Jonel Bauzon. 6 out of 6 from the free throw line. 58, a minute and 42 to go.
Yeah, 5 lang to.
Landayan on Raymond Binuya. Egilos with a roadblock. Binuya falls down, turnover for Pampanga. Marikina on the run. De La Cruz spin. De La Cruz kicks it out. Velasco back to Nem. De La Cruz, this will be big. De La Cruz gets it from the outside.
Earlier we talked about Nem De La Cruz not having a stop. He showed that a while ago. He had to do an early emergency pass before he got set up for this three. Look at that help by Archie Concepcion, but not much he can do. That shot was already on its way.
He spun towards the basket, put on the brake on a big run here to get themselves to within 2 points.
Yeah, dito masusubukan naman ang composure ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns, you know. Execution and how they perform in situations like this.
Concepcion.
Oh, man.
They go to the Royal Bazooka. Talking about Pampanga. That's a quick score for the Giant Lanterns.
And why not? He's your primary guy.
Bauzon operating on top. De La Cruz couldn't lose Archie. Look at Concepcion compete here. Bauzon backing up Chris Lalata.
Oh,
Jonel Bauzon! Sweeping hook shot there. More like Bauzon. 65-63.
16-point in the game para dito kay Bauzon. He's just been steady.
Both teams in the penalty. Concepcion wants it. Concepcion fires. No good. Lalata tracks it down. There's a foul. Sino ang matatawagan doon?
Yeah. Ganda ng pagkakabitaw ni Bauzon. Ooh, and Lalata missing on the free throw.
He's now 1 out of 3 from the charity. He had 12 and 12 in their first game. Only 5 points tonight para kay Chris Lalata. Makes it 66-60.
Don't have that, then they go straight into a dribble handoff.
De La Cruz to inbound from the side. Roque waits for Nem. De La Cruz has it. Bauzon, top of the circle, fakes the 3. Di kumagat si Chris Lalata. 7 on the shot clock.
Taking too much of the time.
De La Cruz, wild 3-point shot. And that's off the backboard. Now Marikina has to foul.
We got a foul.
Concepcion will take 2 shots.
Free throws on its way. 62% free throw shooting para sa Pampanga.
Archie Concepcion making it when it matters the most. Just in the last minute of this game. Especially when Marikina got to within 2 points. Concepcion goes 2 for 2 and makes it a 5-point lead. No timeout for Marikina. Landayan goes to Josh Roque. Roque for 3. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what he was mentioning earlier. He already was on the spot. Right there when Nem De La Cruz took the shot, he was the freer guy. And that's what he was telling Coach Eric. I was there.
5.2 seconds. Jamel Landayan didn't have a shot. Josh Roque did. And he did have a shot, as Coach Mike mentioned earlier in the previous possession. Timeouts remaining. 5.2 seconds. The lead is 2 for the Giant Lanterns. All they need is to inbound the basketball. Archie almost lost it. Marikina needs the foul.
Got a foul.
Binuya was hit hard. Ooh. But too late. And De La Cruz hit Raymond Binuya really, really hard.
Yeah.
As he tried to go for that steal.
And Raymond didn't appreciate that. Well, Nem was really running at full speed. Couldn't get to a stop.
They want. Here you see De La Cruz is really running full speed. And dyan ulit pumapasok yung inability to decelerate and slow down.
Yeah. He doesn't have that one.
He's ruling out any kind of foul because the whistle was blown after the time. So that's going to do it. Pampanga getting this hard-earned victory against a young Marikina squad.
And so parang the contact happened after the time has already expired. And so, you know, Pampanga Giant Lanterns, they escaped.
Oh, if you don't like that, you don't like NBA basketball.